हेलो डियर, होप यू all right। जैसे कि हमने इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर सम सेंटेंसेस में suitable एडजेक्टिव यूज़ किए हैं। सो वी अगेन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 14th sentence। सो द 14th sentence, in 14th sentence we have to use a proper adjective। So here the adjective which is to be used will be early। The early bird, let me change the color। The early bird catches the worm। और उसके बाद have you any dash reason to give। अब here the main bird will be used, that is valid। have you any valid reason to give। अब valid is an adjective। okay, उसके बाद in 16th sentence we have to use dash anxiety has undermined his health। So here we have to use constant। okay, the adjective which is used here will be constant। constant anxiety means बरकरार रहने वाला टेंशन, जो बार बार टेंशन जहन में हो वो हेल्थ को ख़त्म कर देता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 18th, and dash men will not reason calmly। so here the adjective which is to be used will be an angry। गुस्से वाला बंदा आराम से रीज़न नहीं देता। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19th, he stands feet in his stockings। he stands, definitely the 5 होगा इधर। he stands means 5, FIVE 5। okay, question number 20th, Nelson won for himself dash fame। Nelson eternal, for his eternal means अंदर के सुकून के लिए, eternal fame। और उसके बाद I have no dash cash। okay, here we have to use an adjective which is ready। the proper adjective to be used here will be ready, means I have no ready cash। उसके बाद he always walks with dash steps। अब first of all we have to change the color। okay, firm, FIRM means वो सख्त स्टेप्स से वॉक करता है, वो सही तरीके से वॉक करता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, dash errors are not easily corrected। so the word which will be used here is plausible। errors are not easily corrected। okay, 24th sentence we have to use here an adjective, every cloud has dash lining। now here every clouds means silver। here the proper adjective will be every cloud has a dash lining, means silver lining dash। उसके बाद he was a man of ambition। now what you can think what should we use here, great। he was a man of great ambition। okay, last one but not least one। okay, here adjective is already used but I eradicate it। he was listened to in a profound silence। so these were the sentences we have used suitable adjective in each sentence। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये समझ आ गए होंगे सही तरीके से। these are very important for all the tests or especially for getting grip in parts of a speech। that's why we have used here parts of speech about adjectives। So like these videos, I will try to bring many practical videos for you all. Till that, Khuda Hafiz. Thank you.